I'm sure by now you already know what's one of my favorite brand for denims. To be a Levi's haul and Bcbg. Hi my loves! Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Zona. I share videos regarding fashion, how to style, shopping for clothes, shoes, and especially handbags. I also have videos regarding restaurants where I love to eat. I blog them and I bring my handbags with me. Stay tuned up to the very end of the video. Subscribe and comment down below, and don't forget to share it to your friends. Also, I would appreciate if you follow me in Instagram. My account is Zona Loves, so I'll see you there, alright? Today I'm wearing this Levi's jacket which I got early this year, and I was saving it for the fall seasons and probably the winter, but this is really cute, very trendy. It's got a big wide long sleeves. I really like them, although I paid quite a fortune for a Levi's item. This is, I believe, about $298, but then I remember getting some kind of discount, probably 15 or 20%. But I don't mind. Some of the Levi's that I own are really statement pieces, and they're really cute, and it's got all the button details on the side, which is adorable. So yeah, I'm gonna be wearing them today to my meetings, and I'm pairing it with a nice cute leggings that my daughter gave me. Also with my shoes, I'm wearing my favorite Chanel ankle boots, which I had for a couple of years, and it always comes out on this season. I really like it. It's lambskin and it's durable. Although it's not the most comfortable shoes to wear, but it's just really cute because it has that pearl in the back by the heels. I just love them, and it's one of the shoes that I don't want to sell or give away. It'll stay in my collection. Alright, so let's start with, I guess we could start with Levi's. So this white jacket, I had gotten this in the outlet. This one is really cute, kind of like a denim texture. I just find myself buying almost a couple of them every year. It's easily dirtied when you have white clothes, but somehow I really like whites as much as I like black, so it's okay, right? And I'm even happier if I get them on sale. So this one was $64, and then it went down to like $59, but I paid $29.98 for it. It's so cute. You gotta have at least one pair of this. Any brands would do, but a white jacket is always nice to have. It can go with a lot of outfits. I noticed that you would be able to tell if the item is made for the outlet because the Levi's tag like this would be looking like thin and brown, so it's like kind of not a very expensive quality, and that's how you know that this item is made for the outlet. But nevertheless, this is really nice. I love the material. It seems durable. I really don't care if it's like an outlet version because I think the material is superb for the price. Okay, and of course, on top of the $29, I got extra 15% discount because of the AAA card. So you show them you have AAA when you shop in the outlet, and you get extra discount before taxes. Then whenever I visit the mall and I know if I have more time, I always stop by the Levi store. So I got more items. I just recently cleaned up my closet and got rid of my other jeans and denim sweater. I gave them away and I would get new sets of items. I guess it's more like to give me an excuse to go shopping. I always like to have new stuff in my closet. I just really like to shop. That's why I created this YouTube channel. Alright, so the next item I got is this denim jacket. I got this from the mall. Quite pricey, and it has like a yellowish undertone to it. It's blue. I know I have a couple of, not a couple, I have quite a lot of Levi's denim jacket, but this particular style with the somewhat yellow undertone I don't have, so I bought it, and yeah, I'm so happy that I got this style. I also like that this is blue. So usually it's red in here, you know, the little trademark and logo that they have, it's red, but this one is blue, and I like that. So the regular price of this was $198, and I got them for $79.98. It's so nice. I love it so much, and I can't wait to wear them. You know, denim is my thing. It's like my go-to everyday sweater. Even in the summer, I would bring them with me in my car, and actually it helps to protect me from the sun when I'm driving. So I not only use it as a jacket, sometimes in the summertime I just have one denim in my car for that purpose. Then I also picked up a couple jeans here, so you would really know that it's from the mall because of the tags, this thick quality tags. So that's how you know that you got it from the mall. Although sometimes there are some items in the outlet that are from the boutique, so you will be lucky if you're able to catch them, but they're very popular. So one way to do it is just go to the mall and get them on sale, because they also have some sales going on at the mall. They have good quality Levi's jeans. Also, I have shopped many times in Nordstrom for Levi's, and I do have some unique pieces that I kept in my closet. And a couple of my jacket, like the corduroy, Agatha would borrow them and then she would leave it somewhere and misplace them. Sometimes it really breaks my heart, but yeah, then I have to repurchase them again. And the good thing about Levi's is that a lot of their styles, they just keep coming back. So if you lose it, and you'll find the same exact thing, and then you can replace it again. So it's not as heartbreaking compared to other brands where you have to actually really look for it in the internet, whoever sells them, and sometimes you can't get them brand new most of the time because the brands has already stopped making them, and then so you don't have a choice but to buy them secondhand. And for clothes, I would prefer if I could get them new instead of used. Unless if my taste changes in the future, I don't know. Yeah, so this one is really cute. I know I have this kind of jeans already. I don't even know, I just have quite a lot of jeans, but when I'm at the store and I feel like, oh, the sale is good, the price is good, and I just want to buy something, so yeah, I buy them. And here it is. It's a mile high, super skinny, extra high rise. So I know I have some high rise jeans already in this color, but I don't know why I bought this. I just find it really nice. I love the texture. I like how I feel this is gonna be a light one and comfy. The original price was $98, and then they went down to $59.99. Then I think I paid like $39 for this, so it's a very good price. Lucky me. Then I just bought a couple 501 jeans again. I'm so obsessed. Well, 501 is the king of Levi's, so you gotta have them in your collection. There's no excuse. And this one is the one which has a distress pattern in the front. It's really cute. It's not too much, it's not overwhelming. And of course, the popular button fly. So this one is a skinny version. This is a pair of Levi's, San Francisco. Oh my god, Levi's just really makes me so excited. Even if I'll have two of the same thing, I don't really care. I just like shopping there. So this one is small, and it's a signature button fly, skinny high-rise, skinny leg, fitted through hip and thigh jeans. It's American original. I have bought some jeans that are not Levi's in Nordstrom or Diesel, Lucky Brands, and a lot of other brands out there. But for now, I want to stick to Levi's and keep my collection simple, because I feel that Levi's is just easy for me and the style would stay the same and it's not too complicated. The price is good and I know I will love them for a long time until I decide to give them away again. The price is just excellent and I like the style. The next 501 jeans that I got is this one. It's quite nice. I like the color. I like how it's kind of have a yellowish undertone as well. And this could actually be very suitable to pair with the denim jacket that I just bought. It's almost like they're husband and wife. They have to go together. So this one is gonna be perfect for that jacket. It has this sexy distress pattern in the back on the right side, and of course it looks really nice. And I haven't tried them on when I was in the store. I just decided to just buy them because for the most part I already know that I fit the size 27 or 28, so I think it should be okay. So I'm very excited. Have you gotten some jeans so far, and what are your favorite brand? If you have something in mind that you want to share with me, maybe I'll consider it. But I still like Levi's, so comment down below if you like Levi's. This is just amazing. For this one I paid like $84.98. Original price is about $168, so I got like a 50% discount. Oh my god, this is so much fun. So now let's move on to my Bcbg. I actually forgot to include this in my outlet shopping unboxing video. I just found them a couple days ago in my car and I totally forgot what's inside this bag. Honestly, I forgot. So this is gonna be a real unboxing, a surprise one. As soon as I open them, I guess I would remember that I picked them up. Oh my god, I was just really overwhelmed when I was in Palm Springs, but I might go back there again and do more shoppings. So let's see. The first item I got is, oh, I remember now. I remember this cute purple top. Holy grail, this is just adorable. You know, my favorite color is purple, and this is just really cute. It has these cute ruffles on the side. I really like it. Oh my god, I can't wait to wear this. This is gonna be a very sexy outfit. Very nice top. I paid $28.99. It was $68. What a deal. So cute. How did I forget about this? And the next one I have is this military shorts. So cute. This one is $98 originally, and the price went down to $68. And I believe I paid 50% off that price, probably around $30. So this is gonna be cute with that long sleeve top that I got for the same color, the same texture. So this is the pair of that top. And I think I could wear a reverse monogram handbag with this. It will really look cute and adorable. I can't wait. So I have an Instagram account, Zona Loves. I hope you follow me there and introduce yourself to me. Also, you can comment down below. I'm always checking my comments in YouTube and Instagram. I wish that we could get connected. Are you ready for the last item I got? Here it is. Charan! It's a cute white dress. Very sexy. It has a V-neck line. And it's really cute in the back. Also, it has like a slit on the side of the dress. Very nice. I can't wait to wear this. So that is it for my unboxing today. I hope you had fun hanging out with me. I really appreciate for spending your precious time to watch my videos, and please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share my videos to your friends. I have a lot of other videos that I uploaded recently. I hope that you will watch them as well. I love you and have a good day.